Hello, my friends, and welcome to this special 6520 Master Practice session. My name is Emma from US Citizenship exam preparation. If you are 65 years or older and have been a lawful permanent resident of the United States for at least 20 years, this video is made just for you. Today, we are going to practice all 20 questions together in a slow and easy way. For each question, I will show you 4 choices. Only one is correct. I will give you a moment to think, and then I will reveal the correct answer. Before we begin, take a deep breath and relax. You have already lived in this great country for many years. You are doing great. We are here with you every step of the way. Quick note, this is based on the 2025 Civics test. The officer will ask you 10 out of these 20 questions, and you need to answer 6 correctly to pass. And if this video helps you feel more prepared, we would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This will help us create more helpful videos for the community. All right, let's begin with question number 1. What is the supreme law of the land? What is the supreme law of the land? And the correct answer is C, US Constitution. US Constitution. How many amendments does the US Constitution have? How many amendments does the US Constitution have? And the correct answer is C, 27. 27. What is the economic system of the United States? What is the economic system of the United States? And the correct answer is A, capitalism. Capitalism. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. And the correct answer is C, writes laws. Writes laws. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? And the correct answer is B, Mike Johnson. Mike Johnson. The President of the United States is elected for how many years? The President of the United States is elected for how many years? And the correct answer is C, 4 years. 4 years. What is the name of the President of the United States now? What is the name of the President of the United States now? And the correct answer is B, Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? And the correct answer is A, J.D. Vance. J.D. Vance. Who vetoes bills? Who vetoes bills? And the correct answer is C, the President of the United States. The President of the United States What is the highest court in the United States? What is the highest court in the United States? And the correct answer is B. Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Who is the governor of your state now? Who is the governor of your state now? And the correct answer is D. Answers will vary depending on the state you live in. Answers will vary depending on the state you live in. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? And the correct answer is B. The United States. The United States. Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? And the correct answer is D. American Indians. American Indians. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? And the correct answer is C. Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson. George Washington is famous for many things. Name one. George Washington is famous for many things. Name one. And the correct answer is C. Father of our country. Father of our country. Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one. Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one. And the correct answer is C. Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one. Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one. And the correct answer is B. Fought for civil rights. Fought for civil rights. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? And the correct answer is A. Terrorists attacked the United States. Terrorists attacked the United States. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Why does the flag have 13 stripes? And the correct answer is C. Because there were 13 original colonies. Because there were 13 original colonies. Name 3 national U.S. holidays. Name 3 national U.S. holidays. And the correct answer is B. New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, President's Day, Washington's birthday. New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, President's Day, Washington's birthday. That concludes the 20 civics questions for the 6520 special consideration. I hope this practice session has helped you feel more confident and better prepared for your interview. Again, my name is Emma, and everyone here at US Citizenship Exam Preparation is truly honored to be part of your journey. We know how important this is to you and your family, and we are here to support you every step of the way. As I mentioned earlier, we have many other helpful videos ready for you, from a full interview walkthrough to what to expect at your oath ceremony. If this video helped you today, please consider subscribing to our channel so you never miss our latest practice sessions. It would also mean a lot if you hit the like button and left a quick comment below, letting us know which state you're in or how your preparation is going. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck, you've got this!